Whoa.
Restock day?
Yeah.
We're back on YouTube, guys. We're back on YouTube. About to show you what a nice fine restock is. Yeah, restock. Best day of the week, right? It's tomorrow, $7 Friday. So not only we're gonna restock the bins, we're gonna have to clean up the whole store. Pull out some more pallets for sale. Just gotta add more mystery boxes. More clothes. We have some clothing racks in the back that we usually, we condense during the week and then we just pull them out on Thursday or Friday. Health and beauty section will need to get restocked.
Remember how Damien said this is all about health and wealth? Health and wealth right here. Except I heard that like apple peels are actually healthier for you than the actual apple, so maybe not so much.
We're actually liquidating. We got approached by an Amazon seller, an Amazon brand, to liquidate their inventory out of their warehouses locally, which has been pretty cool. Because we just get really good deals on a lot of stuff. So but it's all random stuff. So like you got chair mats, right? You got like a glass chair mat, I would say, or cover for a table. These are whiteboards. So we just been getting like pallets of this stuff and we just been putting it along the walls. And when we put this stuff along the walls, we'll also take pictures of it and we'll put pictures of this stuff on Facebook Marketplace and just say, whiteboard, $7. And then when people message us like, hey, I'd like to meet up for your whiteboard, and be like, hey, come stop by a nice fine 1014. Then they'll come in. So that's another way to drive traffic. Driving traffic, if you haven't noticed, is key here. So they'll come in for a whiteboard, right? $7 for a brand new whiteboard. Hell of a deal, hell of a steal. But they'll also find out about our store and they'll hit the bins on their, while they're here.
We are about to take these outside into a blizzard. What's it looking like outside, Saab?
It's a blizzard.
It's bad, bro.
I want to drive.
Come on, man. We moving. Warehouse. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. We're gonna move these out the way. Get these out here. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's going on Restock Thursday, Saab? What's that?
Auction.
Auction?
Yo.
So how does that work? How does the auction work?
So you go on Facebook, you go to Pallet and Liquidations by Nice Find, and every Wednesday we post an auction at 12, and it ends a day after at 12. So you have to be on it. Like an air fryer for $20.
No way.
Brand
Nice.
new. Brand new.
Yes. Well,
That's all you need to do. Just go on it. Go on it on Wednesday.
on Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
It opens up Wednesday and closes what day?
Thursday.
Or what time? Thursday at what
next
time?
day. At 12.
At 12 p.m.
12:01.
12:01. 12:01. Auction's closed.
Hell yeah. It's a new addition to the store. It's been working. This is like what, auction number?
This is number like 4 or 5.
4 or 5, so it's been like a month. After the new year, we kind of decided to start doing it. And
Pretty great.
shout out to Ben Mania in Ohio. They're the one that taught me how to do it. Ben, if you're watching, shout out to you. So if you guys haven't checked it out yet, join our Facebook group. It'll be down below in the description. And yeah, every week we post items for local pickup. It gives just people a chance, if you're not able to make it on Friday or Saturday for $7 deals, you can still pretty much snag a great deal on things on the auction. Look at that.
Blanket tails?
Blanket tails.
Damien's feeling like a mermaid today.
I got a new drag. Ooh!
Sheesh.
Ooh! Where are you gonna wear that though? Huh? That's the question. Oh yeah, we're back on. Hey, KK is still single, ladies. He is still single and still looking to mingle with all you good-looking followers out there. Huh? But he said if you're not subscribed to the channel, he is not going on a date with you. Yeah. What else you got? Necklace holder with jewelry tray. So that's coffee boxes. That's pretty much it. So we got a couple of scores off of what, like 12 boxes, 12 coffins. We found one pair of Apple AirPods. We found that $100 Japanese toy. We found a nice Pico for KK.
40 bucks.
Found a bunch of sheets, a bunch of comforts. So like, I would say at least 50-60% of the items that we found are gonna be gone on Friday. That's pretty much guaranteed. And then, yeah, we have like 10-15 items that are over 50 to 100 bucks. So not a bad haul, not a bad haul at all. Not bad for a little tiny thing.
How much?
50 bucks. So the bins it goes. LCD writing board. These are popular, especially like kids being like homeschooled and stuff nowadays. Or working from home.
Last one.
That's like I've already seen like a bunch. Just like he used to find as many $7 items as possible. Right? Got a backpack, like 7, couch cover, stainless steel water bottles, fly. These gym things, like the gym bottles. People love this shit. Stay hydrated, drink your water. Very reminder. So we use like mystery boxes and these boxes for our filler layer. So we'll dump these out first. See, like they just dumped it. It's very smooth. You dump it, you try to level all the products nicely along the walls of the bins, and it makes it look more full. And then when the stuff is dumped, we go with our process stuff that has more like the bigger stuff, the returns. Oh yeah, I'm boosting the live right now. So Facebook Live, that's where most of our advertising goes. Just because it works the best. People like to see what we have in store. Since every single week we have, new inventory and new things that are in the bins, people want to see what we have. And it's fun. You can interact with your customers, talk to them through the comments and whatnot. And it's live, so they can actually ask you questions while you're walking around the store. So love that part. And yeah, just the customers love the lives. They just like interacting with us and talking and just asking questions and what we got going on and things like that. So actually just this week, this was a little different one because I usually do it at the end of the day once all the bins are restocked. But this one was in the middle of the day while it's all happening. So just a different take, just to kind of switch it up. And now I'm going to boost it. I'm not sure for how much. Conrad's going to tell me how much is a good idea. And yeah, we'll go from there. That's pretty much all we do for our marketing. Facebook Lives and then sneak peeks. That's kind of like the bread and butter of what we do on Facebook. Just take a bunch of photos of the items that are in store and then yeah, boost them for a little bit for a couple days. Try to engage with people by like having them like and share to win a certain prize. And speaking of prizes, we're gonna do a giveaway for you guys. First time giving anything away on YouTube, so bear with us. But this is a podcast kit. So I know all you YouTubers love your podcasts. Maybe you've been thinking of starting your own. So that's Juan. There's a mic holder, stand, grip, whatever you want to call it. This is a microphone shock mount. And what is this actually called? A pop filter. Yeah, so like whenever you're spitting in the mic, kind of protects it, Don't get all that nasty in there. So, pretty cool combo, I would say. And you can win it from Nice Find, from Nice Find's YouTube channel, by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and dropping a comment telling us anything and everything about whatever you want. So just tell us something about maybe what you want to see on the channel, maybe how we can improve, maybe you have a question you would want to answer, maybe whatever it might be, maybe you just want to compliment us on how good looking we are. I don't know, but drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. NiceFindStores.com is our website if you want to check that out as well, and you can win this podcasting kit. We're gonna announce a winner in 1 week from this video drop, so stay tuned. Pretty high chances of you winning since we don't have a lot of subscribers, so good luck.
Don't tell your friends or tell them.
No, tell everyone, please. We need more subscribers, we need more likes, and we need more views. you know, we put in a lot of work into this place, and just like to get appreciated on YouTube once in a while. So
And the more you guys show up, the more of this stuff we're gonna do.
yeah, definitely. You know, if this goes well, why can't we do one every week? So, nice podcasting microphone kit for your future podcaster. If you guys are wanting to win this kit for absolutely free, I will literally personally ship this to you for free. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment. I guess the funnier the comment, the higher your chances are of winning.